Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ethan, and we will now discuss community service. Let us start, however, with the common misconceptions of community service. Maring sabihin parang napaparusahan ang isang mag-aaral o isang tao na lumabag sa batas. Nakabulet po yan. Similar to school detention, a disciplinary action for offenders in lieu of getting arrested and boring work. However, let us now look at the real definition of community service. So, ano po ba talaga ang community service? Community service means helping the community. It is doing something for someone else without reward or money in return. Community service is usually without pay. It is actually a way to give back to our society, and it is actually a positive thing. Volunteering in your school or in your community is because you want to. You do it because you want to. It allows a person to connect to one's community and make that community a better place. Even helping out with the smallest task can make a real difference to the lives of people, animals, and organizations in need. Community service actually puts a smile on everyone's face. Tumutulong po tayo dahil kusang tayong tumutulong. In other words, we help people because we want to. And to summarize and to finish this, 1 John chapter 3 verse 18 reads, "Dear children, let us not love with words or speech, but with actions and in truth." Thank you for listening.